Mastering business impact analysis for manufacturing processes. Someone must own defining the purpose and scope of the business impact analysis to ensure operational excellence. Who is responsible for defining the purpose and scope of the business impact analysis, BIA, in order to ensure operational excellence in our manufacturing processes, and what are the key elements that need to be considered in this analysis to achieve optimal results? The person responsible for defining the purpose and scope of the business impact analysis, BIA, to ensure operational excellence in manufacturing processes is typically a cross-functional team led by a senior manager or a dedicated business continuity manager. This team should comprise representatives from various departments, including operations, quality, supply chain, procurement, and IT. The team's primary objective is to identify the most critical business processes, assess the potential impacts of disruptions, and develop strategies to mitigate or eliminate them. To achieve optimal results, the BIA process should consider the following key elements. 1. Define the scope, identify the specific manufacturing processes and systems to be analyzed. This may include production lines, equipment, supply chains, and support systems. 2. Establish the purpose, clearly articulate the objectives of the BIA, such as identifying critical processes, assessing risk, and developing mitigation strategies to ensure operational excellence. 3. Identify key stakeholders, determine the internal and external stakeholders who will be impacted by disruptions to the manufacturing processes, including customers, suppliers, employees, and regulatory agencies. 4. Conduct a thorough risk assessment, identify potential disruptions, such as equipment failures, supply chain disruptions, cyber attacks, natural disasters, and human error. Assess the likelihood and potential impact of each disruption. 5. Determine the maximum tolerable downtime, MTD, and maximum acceptable outage, MAO. Establish the maximum duration that a process can be offline before significant impacts occur. 6. Assess business process dependencies, identify interdependencies between different manufacturing processes and systems to understand the cascading effects of disruptions. 7. Evaluate the financial impact, estimate the financial losses resulting from disruptions, including costs of downtime, repair, and recovery. 8. Prioritize processes and systems. Based on the risk assessment and financial impact analysis, prioritize the manufacturing processes and systems that require mitigation strategies. 9. Develop mitigation strategies. Create strategies to prevent or minimize the impact of disruptions, such as redundancy, backups, and contingency planning. 10. Establish key performance indicators, KPIs, develop metrics to measure the effectiveness of mitigation strategies and monitor the overall operational excellence of the manufacturing processes. 11. Document and communicate the BIA findings, compile a comprehensive report detailing the BIA process, findings, and recommendations. Communicate the results to relevant stakeholders, including employees, management, and external partners. 12. Review and update the BIA. Regularly review and update the BIA to ensure that it remains relevant and effective in supporting operational excellence in the manufacturing processes. By following this structured approach, the cross-functional team can ensure that the BIA is comprehensive, accurate, and actionable, ultimately leading to enhanced operational excellence in the manufacturing processes.